guys, welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a very happy new year. Hoping to have a normal life this year. This video I had shot before our Manali trip that we had gone in November. In this video, I'll be sharing what all I packed for this trip. If you are new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. I post videos every Saturday. Hopefully, you guys can get some motivation. So, let's get started. Before I start making the list and start packing, I thought I'll just put the kitchen in place first. I have already done the cooking, so I just have to clean up some dishes and do the vacuuming. Now that we are done with the kitchen, let's start with the vacuuming. No housework is complete without doing a load of laundry. Let's get to the real thing now. That's making a list. I usually make a list of all the things that I'll be needing for any trip. I make a separate list for each one of us and another list of snacks. As we all know, snacks are really very important when a toddler is involved in a trip. Now that the list is done, let's get on to packing. I'm just wiping off the bags as we hadn't used them for a really long time now. So I've already removed all the clothes and kept. I just have to fold them and put them in the respective bags. A tip here, always have separate bags for each member. It really becomes easy to manage all the clothes, especially if you are going for a long trip. Also, if you all are traveling with a toddler, always carry an extra backpack that has all his snacks and some toys. That's Vipin's bag, which is all packed now. I follow a particular sequence while packing. Firstly, I make sets of all the clothes like the t-shirts or shorts and pants, whatever you'll be wearing on one particular day. And then while packing, I put the last day's clothes at the bottom and pile up the rest of the clothes according to the days. Now that New's bag is packed, I'll be starting with my bag. I'm checking the list once again and ticking off the things that I have already packed. There are a few things which I'll be picking up from my cousin who's in Bombay. These are the few snacks that I'm carrying along. My homemade granola, some mishri, some mouth freshener, some mint candies and some bag clips. So this is going to be everything for today's video. My next video will be our Manali trip one. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye guys!